Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing how to prepare butter icing. If you're new to my channel, this is your first time of watching my video, click the subscribe button, click the notification bell, and also click on all notifications so that you will be getting alerts of my new videos. So many videos coming up soon. Let's get started. We'll be needing 400 grams of King's margarine, but I'll be using the sachet one, which is equals to 500. The 2 is equals to 500, but I'm going to divide one of it and remove half of the one and use 1.5. And also we need icing sugar 1 kg, half tablespoon of any flavor of your choice. Cream your butter, you remove half of it. Cream your butter a bit and you start adding your icing sugar. Make sure you sieve your icing sugar to avoid any lumps inside your butter icing. Take your time to cream your butter. You can see how the butter is looking lighter. So you can feel free to start adding your icing sugar bit by bit as you cream. Now add half tablespoon of vanilla flavor. Feel free to add any flavor of your choice. If you cream a little, you start adding in water drop by drop as you cream till your butter icing texture is soft. If you're new to my channel, this is your first time of watching my video, don't forget to click the subscribe button and also click on the notification bell. Click on all notifications to be getting a lot of my new video. So many videos are coming up soon, so I don't want you to mix acts because you have a lot to learn from this channel. If you have been following us for a long time, you will notice this channel is fully loaded. So please feel free to invite your friends and family to come and enjoy with you, and feel free to ask questions. Don't forget to comment and don't forget to like my video. Like I said before, you have to be dropping your water bit by bit till you're okay with the consistency or the texture. You can see I'm dropping a little at a time. Our butter icing is ready. You can see how yummy it's looking, so creamy. So right now we're going to separate a little, remove a little and color it. I want to color with a pink food color. I love using gel food color, please. It's not advisable to be using liquid. So one thing I have noticed so far, if you want to get a bright pink, you have to add pink and you add a little red. A mixture of pink and red will give you a brighter pink, just like a very shiny pink. Add more of the pink color and a little red. That is all you need. Our butter icing is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video. You can see the two looking so creamy. So don't forget to like my video. Don't forget to comment. Feel free to ask questions. Thank you for watching. Bye.